Indoor leisure activities in English-speaking countries. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of English-speaking cultures to explore a topic that's close to everyone's heart: leisure. Specifically, we'll discuss some of the most popular indoor leisure activities in English-speaking countries. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Reading is a cherished pastime for many. In countries like the UK and the US, there's a long-standing tradition of literature. From modern novels to classic literature, reading provides an escape to other worlds. Books. Many people enjoy reading novels, biographies, self-help books, and more. Magazines. These are great for those who prefer shorter reads or staying updated with specific interests like fashion or technology. Comics. Not just for kids. Comics and graphic novels have a vast adult audience too. Board games are a popular indoor activity, especially on rainy days or during gatherings with friends and family. Board games. Classics like Monopoly, Scrabble, and Risk have been played for generations. Newer games, such as Settlers of Catan, are also beloved. Puzzles. Working on a jigsaw puzzle can be a relaxing way to spend an afternoon. Many people find joy in the kitchen, experimenting with new recipes or perfecting old ones. Cooking. Preparing meals, whether it's a simple sandwich or a gourmet dinner, can be both fun and rewarding. Baking. From cookies to cakes, baking is a favorite pastime for many. It's not just about the final product. The process itself can be therapeutic. Visual entertainment plays a huge role in leisure time. Movies. Whether it's a romantic comedy or an action-packed thriller, movies are a staple of indoor entertainment. Television shows. With the advent of streaming services, binge-watching series has become a common leisure activity. Expressing creativity indoors is a wonderful way to relax and produce something beautiful. Drawing and painting. Many find solace in creating art, be it a simple sketch or a detailed painting. Crafting. From knitting to scrapbooking, there are numerous crafts that people enjoy. There you have it. From cozying up with a book to getting hands-on with arts and crafts, English-speaking countries have a rich tapestry of indoor leisure activities. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into the world of indoor leisure activities and maybe even inspired you to try a few yourself. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.